Hey guys, this is James of Ocho Technology. Today we are going to be switching my old hard drive in my computer with the new SSD. An SSD allows us to work faster and also gives us more storage. Right now I'm working with 250 gigabytes. I'm going to be switching to 500 gigabytes. So it depends on the SSD brand that you got. You will be able to use the different cloning software. Cloning allows you to transfer everything from your hard drive to your new hard drive or SSD. Depends on what you get. All you will need is a screwdriver, your new SSD, and an adapter.
Alright, so here we have the SSD that we're going to be transferring to. We're going to need to get this opened up. Here we have the SSD. Just going to place that there. Get that out of the way. And now you have, this is our adapter. A bunch of different ones have very different configurations. We're going to go ahead and connect this. You'll connect this to power. Get this unwind here. Go ahead and plug it in. And here's the actual adapter part. We're gonna go ahead and get this around. And you will connect this to your computer. Alright, and this is for the power. You're going to want to plug the power in before you do the file. So you plug this in here. And then next, take the file and plug it into here, like so. Alright, we'll wait for that to turn blue. You always want it to turn blue before you start, otherwise it will not work correctly. Sometimes you just gotta reconnect it, connect it back in. Alright, and there's the blue light. So let's go ahead and start this now.
So right here, I have a Crucial SSD that I'm putting into this computer. I download the Acronis True Image for Crucial. All you're gonna do is download the file right here, then you'll install it and do all the necessary stuff to do that, and then you will open like this. Right here is Acronis True Image, and then right here you go to Clone Disk. Wait for that to initialize here. Oh, we always just do automatic. It's way easier. It makes everything much simpler. You just do this, and then what you do is do disk 1. This is just a demo as of right now. I just have a USB in just to show y'all. So disk 1 is the hard drive. So disk 1 is the one that you're going to be transferring from. So you're going to press disk 1. And then the target disk is disk 2, is what you're going to be transferring the stuff to. Just press next. After that, you will press proceed, and now we'll start the cloning. And then once that's finished, you're good to go ahead and put your new hard drive in.
Alright, now that your hard drive is successfully cloned to your new SSD, you can start the transfer process. So what you're gonna do is you want to take your battery out first. You want no power to your computer whatsoever when doing this. So we'll move this over here. Remember, you're gonna need a screwdriver. And depends on the computer. Your computer's gonna come apart different ways. My way is, for this laptop, is you only have to take off this piece right here. Go ahead and take this off. Pull this piece off right here. Alright, and here is our old hard drive, so we're going to be taking this out here. There's 2 screws here and here. Alright, now you just want to gently pull up. Just depends on how it's situated in there. Alright, on this one specifically, it's tied into the motherboard right here. So we're going to want to take that piece off. Like that. This will stay right here. And all hard drives are going to have this adapter right here to be able to fit it in there. So this one has 4 screws. Most of them do, I believe. So right here and here. Go ahead and take those off. And be careful not to lose these screws. But if you do, it makes it very difficult. We'll remove this now. And here is our old hard drive. Place it over there. And remember, we pull this piece off here. This is for the adapter for the laptop. Pull that off there. They're going to be a little tight on there. Take your new SSD. You have the small and the big right here. Just take it. Line it up. Stick it in there. I'm going to go ahead and place this back on here. Make sure the screws line up again. We're ready to screw it back in here. Remember, every laptop is going to be different on how you take it apart. You just got to do your research and find out how yours becomes apart. I'm going to place it back in here. We're going to put this back into the motherboard. Be careful not to damage any of the pins in here. Just take your time and make sure everything goes smoothly. Alright, now that's plugged in. We'll stick this back in here. There we go. Plug this in. I'll put the 2 screws back. Take a back piece. Alright, it is now in our computer. Alright, now this is before we put the SSD in. We're going to open Word to see how fast it actually is. Let's go ahead and open it here. As you can see, it just takes a little bit to get it started up and going. Alright, now it is open. We're going to go ahead and open a blank document here. It's still not that long, but it's still just enough to annoy you like it does me. And now I will show you the SSD. Alright, now this is the after of installing the SSD. We are now going to try Word again like we did before. Let's go ahead and open it, and we'll see how long it takes. And it's up just like that. Now let's open just a blank document. As you can see, doing SSD swap has a lot of benefits. You've seen just how quick that was. Alright, as you can see here, the old hard drive had about 83 megabytes per second of speed. That is considerably slower than the SSD, as I will show you in the next clip here. Alright, now as you can see, the new SSD that we have put into this computer is now running at 402 megabytes of speed on this laptop now. Compared to the 83 megabytes of speed that we had before we put this SSD in, it is a world difference of what this SSD has done for this computer.
Alright, that is how you put an SSD into your laptop. As you watched it, I got that switched over in probably 20 minutes or so. If you would like any help with this, go ahead and give us a call at 276-601-3208.